The typewriter arrived on Evelyn's doorstep. No note, no sender. She placed it in her study, charmed by its antique elegance. That night, she awoke to the clatter of keys echoing through the dark. Heart pounding, she crept down the hall. In the study, the machine hammered away, the carriage jerking violently. A fresh page slid out. "Do not look behind you." Evelyn froze. A cold breath prickled her neck. Against her better judgment, she spun around. Nothing. She turned back. The typewriter continued, keys striking faster, ink bleeding into the paper. "I told you not to look." A chill swept the room. The next page emerged, trembling. "Now it's in the house." Evelyn's reflection in the window seemed to grin. She stumbled backward. The typewriter's bell chimed. Another sheet. "It wears your face." Her reflection moved independently, pressing a cold palm against the glass from the inside. Evelyn screamed, but the sound was swallowed. The last page read, "You're the story now." The study fell silent, save for the gentle tap of keys. The typewriter waited, ready to write for whoever entered next.